how to change your Badoo password if you forgot it. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change password of your Badoo dating account on your mobile phone. So let's begin the tutorial. First of all, open Badoo on your smartphone. And note, the process of changing password of your Badoo account will be pretty much same on Android and iPhone. Once you open Badoo, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Now in your Badoo profile, click on the settings icon at the top right corner. And then here in settings, click on account. And there it is. Under your email address, we have the option get password. So if we have forgotten our Badoo account password, then we can generate a new password through this link. So here what you have to do to create a new password, here just click on get password. Now to get your password, check your email and click the link in the email that Badoo sent to you. So let me check my email. And here it is, this is the mail. Forgotten your Badoo password? No problem, simply click here to create a new one. So here just click on create a new password. Now once you click that link on your email, you will be landed in a page where you can create a new password for your Badoo account. And here you can see screen recording is actually forbidden for this process on Badoo. And that's the reason why you are seeing a black screen with keyboard. So here all you have to do is just create a new password and then continue. So let me create a new password and confirm it. And there it is, password set. Use your password to sign in online or by cell phone. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can create a new Badoo password if you have forgotten your old password. So if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.